Cloud Adoption Framework (CAF), Full Life Cycle Framework, provides best practices, documentation, and tools that help you create and implement business and technology strategies. CAF is particularly useful when you are planning and executing a cloud migration or transformation, as it helps align your business goals with your cloud vision and ensures a structured approach to cloud adoption. Well-architected framework (WAF) focuses on the design and architecture of cloud solutions. A set of guiding tenets that can be used to improve the quality of specific workloads. The framework consists of 5 pillars of architectural excellence. Strategy for security and governance includes the following key factors. The Cloud Adoption Framework provides security guidance by giving clarity for the processes, best practices, models, and experiences. It's based on the lessons learned and real-world experiences of real customers, Microsoft Security Journey, and work with organizations like NIST, the Open Group, and the Center for Internet Security, CIS. The Azure Cloud Adoption Framework (CAF) consists of security activities with a dual focus: business enablement, aligned to an organization's business objective and risk framework. Security assurances, focused on applying zero trust principles of assume breach when designing security for any component or system, reduce risk of attackers expanding access by assuming other resources in the organization are compromised. Explicit verification, validate trust explicitly using all available data points, instead of assuming trust. For example, in access control, validate the user identity, location, device health, service or workload, data classification, and anomalies, instead of simply allowing access from an implicitly trusted internal network. Least privileged access, limit the risk of a compromised user or resource by providing just-in-time (JIT) and just enough access (JIA), risk-based adaptive policies, and data protection. The disciplines in the CAF secure methodology relate to other security concepts and guidance as well. Zero Trust. Microsoft believes security disciplines should follow the zero trust principles of assume breach, verify explicitly, and use least privileged access. They underpin any sound security strategy and must be balanced with business enablement goals. The first and most visible part of zero trust is in access control, so it's highlighted in the description of access control security discipline. The Open Group. These security disciplines map closely to the zero trust components in the core principles white paper published by the Open Group, in which Microsoft actively participates. The one notable exception is that Microsoft has elevated the discipline of innovation security so that DevSecOps is a top-level element because of how new, important, and transformative this discipline is for many organizations. NIST Cybersecurity Framework. For organizations that use the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, some sections map closely to the CAF Secure guidelines. Modern access control and DevSecOps map broadly to the full spectrum of the framework. The Azure Well-Architected Framework (WAF) is a set of guiding tenets that can be used to improve the quality of a workload, and consist of 5 pillars. Reliability, the ability of a system to recover from failures and continue to function. Security, protecting applications and data from threats. Cost optimization, managing costs to maximize the value delivered. Operational excellence, operations processes that keep a system running in production. Performance efficiency, the ability of a system to adapt to changes in load. The ultimate objectives for a security organization don't change with adoption of cloud services, but how those objectives are achieved will change. Security teams must still focus on reducing business risk from attacks and work to get confidentiality, integrity, and availability assurances built into all information systems and data.